Yes, sir.
Yes. So now come on. Good morning, good afternoon. Yes. See that
Good morning,
the
sir.
image formation by a convex lens. Here the object is held in between. Object is held in between F1 and 2F1. We are doing for convex lens and object is held in between. Here we are going to see case number 4. Case number 4, object is held in between F1 and 2F1. Then what we have to do? How we can draw the image formation here? Let us see. This is our principal axis. Here is our convex lens. Dear children, suppose our object is kept over here. A, B is the object here. And this object is in between F1 and 2F1. One ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is optical center. The ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through like this. Principal focus on the other side of the lens. Another ray which is passing through the center of optical center. Then both they are meet at this point, and we are getting here an inverted image. You can see here, this is F1 and here it F2. So when the object is held in between F1 and F2, here the object that is in between F1 and F2, we are getting the image here beyond 2F2. You can see here beyond 2F2, this is 2F2. So I can say here, image formed beyond 2F2. Image formed beyond 2F2. Second one is real and inverted. Second one is real and inverted. Here I can say real and inverted beyond 2F2 on the other side of the lens, that we can write here, and larger in size than the object, and larger in size than the object. So these three things are going on. Okay? Yes, dear children, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Draw this figure and write all three properties. This is the case number 4 here, when the object is held in between F2 and F1 and 2F1, then we are getting the image beyond 2F2, real and inverted and larger in size than that of object. Now, see the case number 5, when the object is at F1, when the object is at F1. When the object is F1, draw this image. What we can see here. Suppose this is our principal axis. This is a convex lens. Here is an optical center. So my dear children, suppose the object is kept over here, A, B. It is at the focus. It is at the focus. You can see here a ray parallel to the principal axis. A ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus on the another side, and another ray which is going through the optical center goes straight. So we are getting image at infinity. So what we are observing here, parallel rays meeting at infinity. These parallel rays meeting at infinity. This is the case number 5. Here we can say this is case number 5. When the object is at F1, then what are the 3 important characteristics we are getting? Image formed at infinity on the other side of the lens. Image formed at infinity on the other side of the lens. Image formed at infinity on the other side of the lens. You can see here. We can see this. Real and inverted and highly magnified. Real and inverted. Real and inverted and highly magnified. And highly magnified. Highly magnified. See this. So these 3 points are to be noted. Image is formed at infinity, real and inverted, and highly magnified. Now, the case number 6. See the case number 6. What is that? Object is in between C and F1. Object is in between C and F1. Optical center and focus. So we can see here again, look at the board. This is the convex lens. Here is the optical center. The object is kept it over here, say AB. AB is the object here. A parallel rays, principal axis के parallel ray अगर आ रहा है, तो that will go through the focus F2, and another ray which is going through the optical center. Here it is our eye. When both the rays proceed back, so we are getting here. Here we are getting virtual and erect image A dash B dash. Virtual and erect image we are getting here. That is A dash B dash. This is our F1. Optical center और F1 के बीच में object पड़ा हुआ है. So we are getting the image like this. Image formed beyond F1. Image formed beyond F1 on the same side of the lens. On the same side of the lens. On the same side of the lens. पहली चीज. Write down this. Then what I can say here, second one is virtual and erect. Second one is virtual and erect. You can see like this. This is the virtual and erect. And the third one, I can say magnified, larger in size than object. Third one is magnified. Third one is magnified. That is the larger in size than the object. Yes. So write down these 3 things. So dear children, we have seen the image formation by convex lens in 6 different cases, and we observe the reading like this. All are very, very important for us. Dear children, in the next month we are having a weekly test. In that weekly test, जो आपके इस चैप्टर में से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, half part of this chapter, that is reflection of light and concave mirror and convex mirror image formation. prepare accordingly, or I have to write in your class group. Concave mirror, convex mirror, image formation or numerical based on that mirror formula, reflection of light. So prepare accordingly. Now, my dear children, so these are the 6 different image formation I can say. One important thing I want to discuss here, determination of rough focal length of a convex lens. Rough focal length of a convex lens. That is in our also practical work. Dear children, see that this is our convex lens. How can I find out the rough focal length of this lens? You take the image, object is at infinity, and we can take the image, say here is the screen. Here I am getting the image, ये देखिए see. आप लोगों को नहीं दिख पा रहा होगा क्लियर ये. See that? अब दिख रहा है? पेपर पर इमेज दिख रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This distance from this paper to lens. This is the way to find out the rough focal length of a convex lens. Yeah. The distance from this paper, that is called screen, and this is lens. Object is at infinity. Then the image formed at focus. और ये जो लेंथ आ रही है बच्चों, ये this is 5 centimeter around. The rough focal length of this convex lens is 5 centimeter. You have to write this practical. ये अपने को practical अपने syllabus में है. That is, you can see here. To determine the focal length of a convex lens, that we have done earlier. ये मैंने पहले भी करा दिया आपको एक बार, और नहीं किया है आपने तो वापस कर रहे हैं आप. Here I can say, go through your lab manual and see that here, this is your lab manual. In your lab manual, ये प्रैक्टिकल आपको लैब मैनुअल में उतारना है बच्चों, ध्यान रखें. I am to determine the focal length of a convex lens by obtaining the image of a distant object. Here is your lab manual. तो ये प्रैक्टिकल भी आप उतार लीजिएगा. Just we have focused them. एक बार वापस बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. You see that here. This is there. Now, my dear children, so this is the way to find out the rough focal length of a convex lens. Now, we are going to see the formation of image by concave lens. Formation of image by concave lens. Case first. In this concave lens, first I am going to see 3 rules. That is, first rule is there. Here is our concave lens. Say this is concave lens. This is the optical center. A ray parallel to the principal axis. God refraction is there. Here you can see. So we can see. ऐसा लगता है ये focus से आ रहा है. Here. This is the first rule is here. You can see that a ray incident on the concave lens in a direction parallel to the principal axis. ये देखिए आप. In a direction parallel to the principal axis. On refraction, this ray appears to come from second principal focus of a concave lens. On refraction, ये dotted line है यहाँ पर देखिए आप. So I can say like this. In the second figure, बना लीजिए फिगर आप यहां पर. In the second figure, if I say here is our concave lens, a ray passing through the optical center, say like this. Here, a ray passing through the optical center of a concave lens passes straight after refraction. Passes straight after refraction. पहले रे तो ऐसा लगता है कि फोकस से आ रही है, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होगी तो passes straight after refraction. And in the third figure, say this is our concave lens. Here is our optical center. See that. In that third figure, I can say a ray coming from here, say like this. And after refraction, it will parallel to the principal axis. A ray coming from here, falling on this lens, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि that will coming from focus F1 here. Draw this figure. So in this figure number third, a ray of light appearing to meet on the principal focus of a concave lens. Here. After reflection parallel to the principal axis. ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये फोकस से आ रही है तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट विल appear or parallel to the principal axis. These three rules are important for concave lens. So after reflection will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Now, see the first case here. See the first case when the object rises. When the object rises in between optical center, in between optical center and infinity. Here we are going to see when the object is in between optical center and infinity. So draw this figure here. Say this is our principal axis and this is our concave lens. Here. Now, suppose object is kept over here, AB. A ray parallel to the principal axis. Here is our optical center. A ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, go straight. Yes, go in this direction. Say this is going along DE. Okay? जब parallel to principal axis के तो हमने क्या कहा when the object lies between optical center and focus, so that will come through like this here. This is the point F2. Another ray passes through the optical center, go straight. तो both the ray, एक रे ये आ रही है और एक रे यहाँ पर इमेज बन रही है. This is the image formation A dash B dash. See this figure. Here we are getting एक रे जो पैरेलल आ रही थी, after refraction appeared to come from the focus, and the second ray which is going through the optical center. So both the rays are meeting here, A dash B dash. So we are getting the image here that is in between optical center and second principal focus. Image is formed in between optical center and F2. Image is formed in between the optical center and F2. on the same side of the lens, on the same side of the lens as the object is. जिधर ऑब्जेक्ट पड़ा हुआ है उधर ही इमेज बन रही है, as the object it is. Second thing, that is virtual and erect. Second one is virtual and erect. Here. Second one is virtual and erect. And the third thing which we are getting here, smaller in size. Smaller in size than the object. Smaller in size than the object. Now, one more case for concave lens. That is when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity. The object is at infinity. See here. Suppose this is our principal axis. Here is our concave lens. This is optical center. Now, a ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction go like this. When both the rays going back appear to come from here. What we are observing here, when the object is at infinity, rays are coming parallel to the principal axis. After refraction go along this. But जैसे हमने इसको पीछे की ओर मिलाया, it will appear to meet at focus. When the object is at infinity, image is formed at focus. The position of the image at second principal focus f2. At second principal focus. At second principal focus f2. At second principal focus f2 here. At second principal focus f2, we can see like this, much smaller than the object, much smaller than the object. Right here, much smaller than the object. And virtual and erect. Third one is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Here. So these are the two different cases for concave lens, convex lens. हमने सब बना लिए फिगर. One more thing I want to say here, that is, how can I distinguish convex lens and concave lens? How can I distinguish convex lens and concave lens? Convex lens and concave lens without touching them. हमको कॉन्वेक्स लेंस और कॉन्केव लेंस को बिना हाथ लगाए पता करना है कि विच इज विच. तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, put the convex lens on the book and look for image of writing on the page through the lens. If writing appears, if the writing appears enlarged, if the writing appears enlarged, the lens is convex. See, we can say like this. Here it is the paper, or I am putting this lens here. Without touching them, if the letters are enlarged, बड़े दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो we can say That is a lens called convex lens. That is a lens called convex lens. If the writing appears smaller, छोटे दिखाई देते हैं या shrunk हो जाते हैं थोड़ा, concave lens अगर रखेंगे आप, put the concave lens on a book and see the letters. If they are smaller in size, then that is concave lens. Convex lens produces an enlarged image of an object, while a concave lens produces a diminished image. Concave lens produces a diminished image. Is that clear? लिख लीजिए. So, okay, dear children, this is all about for today's work. Take the attendance, Himanshu, and send it to me. Have you any problem, then ask. Otherwise, I am just closing this meeting. Hello, can I close the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Good afternoon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Sir.